Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel, and also thanks for the people who can subscribe my YouTube channel. And this video is not for jokes and funny things. I have creative cartoon videos in my channel. I think my subscribers doesn't know that how to make cartoon videos in your Android phones. So this video is made for how to create cartoon videos in your mobile phone. And if you have new my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, my dear friends, let's start this video right soon.
Alright friends, first we can go to the Play Store and there we can search plotagon story and we can download this app plotagon story in app purchase. That is the video. We can see we can make cartoon videos in this app. I have already downloaded this video, so I can open this video. First we can go to the create video and click there, and there we can need the backgrounds, the places, street corner train, and but this is the background is we can have purchased 18 money for 1 month, so I can don't need this background and I can select this background. Then we can press the no actor and create actor. Then we can have female, male, and we can have the faces. I can have this and have some colors. You can see. I can need this color, and there was many kinds of hairstyle. Yeah, this. Oh, I can need this hairstyle and many kinds of colors, and there have we can these two purchase, so I can need this, no, this, and there I can this black, the eye style. Any kinds of eye. This is for girls, female, and I can need this and this. And we can need some sunglasses. The good. This is for purchase. And this sunglass and this color. And we can have many kinds of dress. This I can need. This no. This is very good. And pants. This very no. This this is alright, and we can have much of shoes from this. That's the very good. Alright, and we can have the boys.
How do I sound?
There.
How do I sound?
How do I sound?
Oh, good. There the name. Can you Sakib? Alright, and we can have these colors and done. The actor is done. Then we can click and we can see this to the left the door, and we can bench. There you can sit the bench in a corner. The door left, the door right, and okay. Then I have a new actor. This is the new actor and create. Mm. Mm. Then oh good. Mm. The voice change.
How do I sound?
How do I sound?
Good.
How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound?
Good. Gordon. No, not this name. Shuma. And done. And the next actor, this. Then we can talk. First, we can press this, talk, and after Sakib. And we can talk this. Right. Then I can have. Hello, Shimon. Yeah. Shimon. The neutral. We can go this. Okay, this is very good. And talk. Hello, Sakib. I'm good. And what are you doing in this place? And the next. Sakib. I have neutral. Good. So I can have many kinds of talk, and I have some grossing my house, and I can eat some. Oh no, not this. Yeah, this was the create, then right, and this we can cross this video. Then I have all. Oh, I have some. Okay, good. Then I have also Sakib. Oh, okay. And we can see. Hello, Shimon. Hello, Sakib. I'm good. And what are you doing in this place? Oh, I have buying some things for my house. And what are you doing in this market? And we can have processing this video. Click there and render video. Export with subtitles. save to gallery, save, and then this video is saved. And we can edit this video. The best editor app is KineMaster. I can have already downloaded this video, and you have also downloaded this video. This is the most popular editing app. We can see this edit. Okay friends. Okay friends, do you have like this video? Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And hope you are well. I am also well. So have goodbye.